How to unblock someone on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And say for example that you have blocked some people but now you want to unblock them. So all what you need to do is you need to click on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen, then click on settings and privacy, and from the account section click on privacy, then scroll all the way down to the safety section and click on blocked accounts, and here you will find all the people that you have blocked. So in order for you to unblock any one of them, you simply click on the unblock button next to it and it will be unblocked, or you can click on the profile and then click on unblock. A confirmation box will appear, just click unblock to confirm, and there you have it. This person will be unblocked. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unblock someone on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.